What's that? Yeah, one comes off. I hear you. Sorry guys, when a beautiful woman messages you, you have to message her right back right away. So, here we are. Today is, and I got another message. Today is the 11th of April, 2018. So what's happening today is we're supposed to get rain like the next 5 days. So Greg's come over. I'm in the process, I'm cleaning up this mess here, and he is actually right now, we'll go over here real quick and I'll show you. He's measuring out measuring out the pine because he's going to take 16, and then he thinks he can get 2 more 8-footers out of it as well. So he should be able to get that, and so he was just cleaning up the pine itself and getting all the brush off of there. And so I'm going to go ahead and leave this over facing him for a little bit so you can see. Are you getting ready to cut there?
I gotta put the chain around it.
Oh, okay. So he's going to put the chain around it first, then he's going to cut it, and then he's going to pull that 16-foot piece out. And then his trailer is over here, so he'll drag the pine pieces out over to here. I'll help him get them loaded up on the trailer, and then that'll be it, you know. Now some of you are going to say, why don't I burn this excess pine, cut it up and burn it in the in my fireplace? For like, not this year obviously, but like next year. But I don't burn pine in my fireplace. We have too many other good woods here to use, and so pine does not go into my fireplace. It burns hot, but it leaves way too much creosote, builds up on everything. And so we don't, generally up here in the Northeast, we don't burn pine at all. Not very many people do, I should say. But if you have other good woods to use, you use those first, or, you know, before. But we don't have to be just burning pine, so we don't. Now I know some people burn nothing but pine, but you're cleaning your chimneys out all the time because of it. We don't really have to. I clean mine out, the cap, maybe twice a year max, and it's just the cap. The inside of the chimney is absolutely fine. So that's what you know, that's what, you know, happens with that. But so he's going to get that, like I said, get that squared away. So see, what he did was he used a wedge so that the log itself didn't pinch on his blade, and that's the best way to do that.
Pull that out of here now. I don't know what this. It'll probably crush it. You don't want that stuff.
No, I don't care about any of that right there. That's, if I can, what I'm going to do is I'm going to refill this whole area in with some better soil.
Oh yeah.
Or like once we dig out something over here, like when we dig out the pond, I want to put that soil over here.
Alright, well I'm going to pull it up a ways and back up and rehook shorter.
Okay. You want to get it on now, Greg? Or you want to wait?
Wait till we get them all here, I guess.
Okay, alright, that's fine. So he's got the old style hook here that you hook up onto it once we get it over and we roll it up. That'll help stabilize it so when we pull it back on there. And so yeah, so that's what we're doing. He's going to cut up the other ones. I'm going to clean up this mess here. And but some of these longer pieces, I'll probably, like the brushy stuff was going right into the pile. Some of these longer pieces here, I'll save these for a bonfire this summer. So that's what we'll do with those. So we get a good fire going, throw those on there, and that'll be perfect for those. But a lot of this stuff can just get, once I'll stick it on a burning pile, and that's going to end up getting all burnt up. So let me get back to work here, and we'll get this squared away. I'll show you later, probably in tomorrow's video, the whole thing all cleaned up. We're supposed to get like almost 100% chance of rain all day tomorrow. So I think it's at 90%, but still, what's the difference of 10%? But so that's what's going to end up happening. And so that's what we're doing today. So anyway, guys, listen, I'm going to jump off of here. Remember, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day, tomorrow's not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen. And remember STD. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you want to accomplish, you can do it. And the only one that's going to stop you from getting there is yourself, okay? Always make forward progress. Don't let anybody hold you back. It's real important, okay? I will talk to you all tomorrow. I hope you have a great night. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.